Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2018 Ford Fusion 1.5 Ecoboost here. Right now it's weird. I can't read the code on my big scanner, but when I plug in my small one, I can read it. So this right now, this is the check engine light code. P1450, unable to bleed up fuel. Now this code is very common for Ford engine. This one is a purge valve. Now for the purge valve, it looks like this, the whole thing. This is my old one, I took it out already. I put in my new one, and then this is the part number for the purge valve, original from Ford right there. It's very simple. Press on the white lock right here, pinch it in together, pull. There's one right here, one right here too. Press on the white tab, pull. There you go. And then this one, same thing. Press and pull, very easy. This lock right here, the red lock, pull it back like that, and then press on this white tab right here, and then pull to get it unlocked. And then for the purge valve, you're gonna take out the half of the air box right here. Just undo the clamp and then the connector, press on it and pull, and then just take out the top half out, and then you can get access to it. For the purge valve, let me move this out of the way. For the purge valve, you don't have to use the new bracket on the new purge valve. You can use the one on the car. Just lift the purge valve up and you can get it out of the way. And then for this line right here, use a flathead, pry this green lock up, and then pull the line back. And then when you put it back, just press on it so it locked. For the connector, press on the tab, press on the tab back here, pull. And then make sure you guys check the wire right here. Make sure there's no broken wire or ripped. Make sure the pin in here is not damaged or corroded. If it's good, plug it back. That's it. Very simple. So right now I have the key on. Let me show you the code again one more time. I'm gonna go to read code. There you go. That's the code for the purge valve. Now for Ford, not just the Ford Fusion model, the Ford Escape, the Ford Fusion, whatever Ford model that has a 1.5 engine, it's the same with the same code. It's the same problem. So this code is very common for a Ford. Purge valve always happen, always go bad. But that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys are new to my channel, please help me subscribe to the channel. Click that bell notification. If you have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.